So we want to transist our test. We want to do transist aspect in this test. To do that, we go back to our test. Then you click the Quran content. Then you go back to edit. Then you come and pick this transition icon. We want to use in. Then we use this right arrow for our in. Let's check this. Let's change it to 0.8. Let's go back to 0.6. Then we go to translation. We go back to edit. We go and pick the transition here. You want to use the left arrow here. Then we go back to second content while also. Then you go back to awareness and advocacy. You go and do the transition, also the right transition, and the translation. You do the left transition. Okay. Now let's see now what I'm sorry here. You go to edit transition, the right transition, and the left edit transition, the left transition. So what else would I key? Edit the transition, the right transition, and the test. Edit. You go to transition, the left transition. Okay, let's check it out.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.
So I want to use this Surah Al-Asr again. I want to put it inside the box. Copy. Then I will now go to edit. Then I'll write it. Surah also. Then I will now bring it down to the box. Inside here. Then I'll just duplicate it. Move it a little bit. Duplicate. So I move this one a little bit. Then I'll now duplicate this one also. Let me copy this. Then I will rename it edit contact us via contact us via 806410 1864. Okay, you check it down and go back to edit, change the color to white. You can change the font if you like, and just see if I can see. Okay, if you want to download another font, you just come to this box here. You can see different type of font. This is basic. Can you see any font that you like, that you wanted to download? You can just come here to download it. Like this. I want to download this. And just look for another one. I want to download this. Can you see? how to download this. So the basic one, how to download the basic. You want to download the display, handwriting, can you see? Fancy typewriter. So if you want to download Arabic font, you can see Arabia. Then if you want to download this, can you see? I want to download this. So we want to download sticker. You can come here to download sticker. Any sticker that you like. Popular. Download. Let me see another one. Pro. Okay. I'll go back. Then I want to change the font of this. Reduce the size a little bit. Then I can now be copying it, duplicating it, one after the other. Duplicate. I want it to go in line with this. Then duplicate again. I want it to go in line with this. So let's check our test.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر.
So in this, I want to give it outer. I just give it in transition. So I want to give it outer transition. So our outer transition will now be left. Can you see it? It will be left. So this one, our outer transition also will be left. Our outer transition also should be left. The second one, the outer, I want to give it the outer transition. Out should also be left. This one also, the edit, the transition also, transitions also should be left. And the last one, edit, the transition, outer transition should also be left. And this one also, edit, transition, outer transition should be also be left. Okay, let's check it out.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.
Okay, you see it. Okay, we have done with most of it. Then you want to use sticker. So you can come here to use the sticker, any sticker you want. And just share. And just go and put it here. And put it here. And bring it there. Okay. Then I'll now put it throughout all our content. So I'm going to use the one I downloaded, popular, installed. I want to use this animated sticker. So if I want to install one here, so I can bring it here. If I wanted to install any of the sticker here, I want to give it give. So let me use this and I want to look for one animation. Edit. And just hit here. I want to just fade it inside. Let me enlarge it and fade it inside. So let me see the transition. Edit. Adjust it a little bit. So I have to cover all my text also. Okay, let's check it out.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.
Let me enlarge it a little bit. So I'm going to put it. Let me resize it and take it to the top. Okay, I think we have done with the
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.
Then you now, after you have done, then you now come to save here to save our test. Then the thing will save and it will download it. So this is the second method. Our third method on how to make a Quran video. So I have one already. Then I made another one yesterday. So and this I'm creating the third one for us. So we'll be meeting in our next class.